Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. If you're on Windows 11 and are in the United States, something is rolling out to some of you slowly. It will actually be available to other markets soon, but I think it's a great idea. So the weather widget for Windows 11 will actually appear on the lock screen. So if you, of course, turn on your PC, or if your PC just goes to its lock screen and you leave it like that, well, you'll have a glimpse of the weather. And we don't have too many features that I find super useful in Windows lately, but this one is, and I think it's going to be nice. It's going to look like this. It's not too intrusive. It will actually be very small at the bottom of the screen. You'll have just the details of what's the temperature, what's the high and the low, and the type of weather you're having right now. So this is what it's going to look like basically. So you'll have your background, your random background picture that the lock screen gives you every day with, of course, date and time. But at the bottom, there will be eventually. And this is rolling out actually to users, standard users. So it's been actually tested in the Windows Insider phase, but it's already making its way to the standard user. So right now, only United States, but it will actually expand to other markets in coming weeks. So if you actually turn on your PC and you see that the weather is on the bottom of your lock screen, then you've got the update of it's just a simple switch that turns it on basically. So this is going to be nice. I think this is fine. I mean, why not? If your computer screen is there and the lock screen's up, having a glimpse of the weather, why not? If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.